So, hello everyone. Now I will show you how to assemble this one. It's a stand for photo or video. You need to this one like that. Put and close. Close to right, close. After use this one, and open. Open this one and open this one. So don't use here, use only this way. Just open, and this one it should be this side, here is like that. Just close, strongly but not so strong. Everything is strong but not so strong, a little bit middle strong. After this one, if you need to adjust, to connect, just to get it where, and after you can adjust, and after close. And here, if you want to move, open, move up to you, and close everything. So after this one, disconnect this way, like that, and again close this one. If you put here the phone, after putting close, everything should be closed. If you want to move, open, to adjust, up to you, and close. Simple. So that's all. If you put the phone and the construction can be done down, you just to close more stronger, so it can be help you. That's all. Bye.